On YouTube.
Jeez,
Oh,
what the hell
oh,
was
bumpy.
that? What is that all
We're out
about?
here again. We got the dump trailer out for the last day for this week, because tomorrow we're going to use the box truck on a real big job. But we got the dump about to unload, starting off the morning. Beautiful day, busy week.
Hauling and bawling?
We got we gotta dump this load. This is from like 3 jobs, and then head out to remove a playset and a trampoline. We're gonna chop the playset up with a chainsaw, knock her down, load it up, and haul it away. Just like that. And then tomorrow we're cleaning out a 6,000 square foot mansion in a gated golf community. And we're working with a lady we do a lot of jobs for. They own a consignment shop. We're taking all the junk. She's taking all the good stuff. But I'm sure it's all going to be good stuff, because those houses are very, very big money. So we'll see what we get tomorrow. Here we are. We got this trampoline we're going to take down. And this playset right here. We're going to cut it down. Got the chainsaw. Take it all apart. Haul it away. Get going. Cutting it down. Nice one. Watch the fence.
The fence is coming down anyway.
Well, I know, but I don't know when he's ready. Now we gotta get these right here. So once it's down, we could just what if we cut these at an angle? Now one more then. Ready?
Ready?
Yeah, we'll go that way. Timber! Alright, now we'll cut it all up and load it up. It's all down. Cut it up in 5 minutes. Alright, we got it all loaded in the dumpster. Place that, cut it up with the chainsaw, loaded it up. Now we got the trampoline. Got the saws off for this to cut the metal rails, since they're usually pretty rusted on. So we'll cut this up, load it up, and be on our way. Just like that. It's all loaded up. Under an hour. Got both of them out. Cleaned it all up. Dumpster. Now we'll tarp it up and be on our way. Dumping this load off. Swing set and the trampoline. And we'll go park this when we're done and get the box truck. So we gotta empty that out. This is getting rented out. There she goes. Come on. Hold forward.
Just like that, it's all gone.
Alright. Got done with the dump trailer. Now we got more jobs, so we had to get the box truck. Nice big pile. Huge pile. This truck's equal to a 30-yard dumpster. So that's it. It's all gone. That was all of us right here. You don't need to blow it up, just kick it. We gotta go.